Okay, my dear learners, can you see me? Is everything okay? Please inform me if you ensure me, then I will start my session. Is my voice clear? Do you hear me? Okay. Okay. So now I can start my session. My dear learners, you are all welcome to my class in Mymensingh Online School. I hope you are safe and sound. I am also fine. After Eid, this is my first class with you. Today, I am going to take a class on English for today for the student of class 8, Unit 5, Lesson 1. So, please take your textbook and pen, also notebook. Look at the board. What can you see in the picture? There are two pictures. We think there is a shop. Maybe it is a boutique shop, and another picture means a typical village, because there are some houses and cows and many other things which is found in the village. And in the first picture, what are they doing? We think there is a buyer and also two sellers. Something is buying and selling. Okay. Look another picture. What does the picture mean? The picture means it is a typical village, isn't it? See another picture. Here, what can you guess by the picture? Something is newly born, isn't it? Yes. What can be our today's topic? Our today's topic is the beginning. Our today's topic is the beginning. Okay, very good. End of the session, you will be able to learn, read and understand text through silent reading. Infer meaning from the text. Choose the correct answer and match the phrases. Write answer of the questions. Write about Shamima and her dreams. Okay, my dear learners, now we will learn some vocabulary from the text. So, take your textbook, open page 45. And take your pen and notebook. Okay. Look at the board. Willpower. Willpower means here you can see a picture. Do you know what is the meaning of willpower? Willpower means determination. Willpower means determination. That means ইচ্ছা শক্তি. What is the synonym of willpower? Desire. Okay. And just give me an example of antonym of willpower. The antonym of willpower is, now we will make a new sentence with the word willpower. Her willpower has made her extraordinary. তার ইচ্ছা শক্তি তাকে অসাধারণ করেছে. Look, another word, typical. There is a picture, you see, just exhibiting the qualities or characteristics that identify a group or kind or category. This is typical. অর্থ সাধারণ. And the synonym of typical is usual or representative. Okay. Usual যেটা হচ্ছে কি সাধারণ. And antonym unusual. তার বিপরীত হচ্ছে কি unusual. তাহলে আমরা now we will make a new sentence with typical. Shamima lived in a typical village. Okay. Next word, look, boutique. Boutique means, you see a picture, there is a shop which is a boutique shop. That means a shop where different kinds of clothes are made and sold to the customer. A shop where different kinds of clothes are made and sold to the customer. Now, make a new sentence with boutique. Shamima runs a small boutique called ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা. Shamima runs a small boutique called ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা. Okay. In your textbook, 45 page, there is a text, phrases. We will read out the phrases and then we will do something from the text. So at first, just silently you have to read. I am reading also, and please listen to me carefully. I will read the text with its meaning. Okay? There is a small village called ভবানীপুর in ঝিনাইদহ. ঝিনাইদহে ভবানীপুর নামে একটা ছোট্ট গ্রাম আছে. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. এটা বাংলাদেশের একটি সাধারণ গ্রাম. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the field and doing household work. People here spend, এখানের মানুষ সময় কাটায় অথবা সময় অতিবাহিত করে their day-to-day life, তাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবন মোস্টলি ওয়ার্কিং ইন দ্য ফিল্ড, অধিকাংশই মাঠে কাজ করে, অ্যান্ড ডুইং হাউসহোল্ড ওয়ার্ক, এবং গৃহস্থলীর কাজ করে। ইন দিস অর্ডিনারি ভিলেজ দেয়ার লিভস অ্যান এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি ওমেন নেমড শামিমা আক্তার মায়া। ইন দিস অর্ডিনারি ভিলেজ, এই সাধারণ গ্রামে, দেয়ার লিভস অ্যান এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি ওমেন নেমড শামিমা, এই সাধারণ গ্রামে একজন অসাধারণ নারী বাস করেন, তার নাম হচ্ছে শামিমা আক্তার মায়া। শামিমাজ উইল ফর অ্যান্ড ডিটারমিনেশন হ্যাভ মেড হার এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি। শামিমার ইচ্ছা শক্তি তাকে অসাধারণ করেছে। She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty couldn't defeat her spirit. কিন্তু এই নিষ্ঠুরতা তার সাহসকে পরাজিত করতে পারেনি। She has come out as a winner. সে বিজয়ী হয়ে এসেছে। She has come out as a winner. সে বিজয়ীর বেশে বের হয়ে এসেছে। Defying all the odds of life. জীবনের সকল খারাপ দিকগুলোকে উপেক্ষা করে। শামিমা is now 32 years old. শামিমার বয়স এখন 32। She has only one son named আশিকুর রহমান কনক। তার একটা ছেলে, তার নাম হলো কনক। She runs a small boutique called ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা। সে এখন একটি বুটিক চালায় যার নাম হচ্ছে ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা। ইন হার ভিলেজ, তার গ্রামে। লেটস হিয়ার ফ্রম শামিমা। চলো আমরা শামিমার কাছ থেকে শুনবো। হাউ শি সাকসিডেড ইন সেটিং আপ হার বুটিক। সে কিভাবে তার বুটিক প্রতিষ্ঠা করতে সফল হয়েছিল। ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, এতক্ষণ আমরা টেক্সটটা ভালোভাবে পড়ে নিলাম। ওকে, নাও ইউ হ্যাভ সাম কোয়েশ্চেন্স। There are 5 multiple choice questions in the textbook. So, and also look at the board. Here you will find 5 multiple choice questions. Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village. The underlined word means yes, usual. Then next question, Shamima is an extraordinary person. Here the underlined word means amazing. Yes, you are right. Okay, then third question, the people of determination succeed in the long run. Here the underlined word means yes, willpower. Then Shamima has faced the darkest aspect of life. Aspect means characteristics. Yes. Drishyo. Okay. Then the tragedy is Shamima's life couldn't defeat her spirit. Here spirit means okay, my dear learners, now we will read the text again because we will do another work from the text. So we have to read the text again. So listen to me carefully. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Jinaida. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the field and doing small jobs. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She had seen the cruelest aspect of life, but the cruelty couldn't defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She runs a small boutique called Uitkunari Kalyan Sanstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. My dear student, এতক্ষণ আমরা টেক্সটটা আবার পড়ে নিলাম। এবার তোমাদের জন্য একটি কাজ রয়েছে। এখানে একটা ম্যাচিং তোমাদেরকে করতে হবে। You have to match the phrases with the meaning. Here there are two columns and now we will match. So, see, তোমরা তাড়াতাড়ি করে ফেলো এবং এখনই দেখবে আমার সাথে তোমাদের ম্যাচিংটা মিলেছে কিনা। ওকে, নাও চেক। Okay, good. Very good. We have to read the text again, my dear learners, because we will do another activity from the text. And when I again read the text, I will mark the sentences. Which sentence I will mark, you have to see and be careful about the text, because after reading the text you have to solve some question. Okay, my dear learners, so listen to me again. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Jinaida. A small village called Bhawanipur in Jinaida. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the field and doing small jobs. Spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the field and doing small jobs. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She had seen the cruelest aspect of life, but the cruelty couldn't defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She runs a small boutique called Uitkunari Kalyan Sanstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. Now you have some questions, and I think you can solve and you can answer the questions, because when I read the text, you have listened to me carefully. So now first question is to you. What type of place does Shamima live in? Yes, Shamima lives in a typical Bangladeshi village. Yes, you are right. Very good. Next question. What do the people of Bhawanipur village usually do? ভবানীপুরের লোকেরা সাধারণত কি করে? আমরা টেক্সটে আন্ডারলাইন করে রেখেছি। The people of Bhawanipur spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the field and doing household work. Then, third question. What has Shamima done to make her extraordinary? শামিমা কি করেছে তাকে এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি করার জন্য? She has defied all the odd situation of her life and then she has come out as a winner. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আমরা এতক্ষণ টেক্সটটাকে ভালোভাবে বুঝে অনেকগুলো কাজ করেছি। আমরা মাল্টিপল চয়েস কোশ্চেন করেছি, আমরা ম্যাচিং করেছি অ্যান্ড দেন আনসারিং কোশ্চেন। So I think now you are clear about the text. Okay? Just I have a homework for you. তোমাদের জন্য আমি এখন একটি বাড়ির কাজ দেব, প্লিজ লিখে নাও। বাড়ির কাজটি হচ্ছে write a paragraph about Shamima from your imagination. In your paragraph, write what Shamima should do for the good of her own family as well as the other families in the village. Okay, my dear student, আশা রাখি এই পাঠে তোমাদের কোনো সমস্যা নেই। বাড়ির কাজটি তোমরা করে ফেলবে। আজকের ক্লাস এখানেই শেষ করতে যাচ্ছি। তোমরা সবাই ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।